Once upon a time, in a cozy little house under a big oak tree, there lived 3 little rabbits with their caring mother rabbit. Their house was warm and safe, with soft grass beds and a small wooden door. Every morning, before going out to collect carrots and berries, the mother rabbit spoke gently to her children.
My dear little ones, lock the door and never open it for anyone except me.
The smallest rabbit asked to his mother.
But how will we know it is you?
Mother rabbit said,
You will know me by my soft voice and my white fluffy paws.
The wolf has a deep voice and dark paws.
The 3 little rabbits nodded and promised to be careful.
We promise to be careful, Mother.
Soon after the mother rabbit left, the wolf quietly came to the little house and knocked on the door.
Open the door, little rabbits!
The rabbits listened carefully and looked at each other. One rabbit said,
That is not our mother. Our mother's voice is gentle.
The rabbits kept the door closed. The wolf went away but came back again and tried to sound kind. He said,
Open the door, my dear little rabbits.
The rabbits whispered together. The clever rabbit said,
Let us test him.
The clever rabbit said,
Stamp your paws on the ground.
The wolf stamped hard, and the rabbit saw his dark paws. The rabbits laughed and said,
That is not our mother.
The wolf tried one last trick. He covered his paws with white flour and knocked again. This time, the smallest rabbit had an idea. He said,
If you are our mother, sing our bedtime song.
The wolf tried to sing, but he did not know the song. His voice sounded wrong and funny. The rabbit smiled and said,
Only our mother knows that song.
They did not open the door. The wolf became tired and angry, so he walked away and lay down under a tree. Later, the mother rabbit returned home. The 3 little rabbits ran to her and told her everything. The mother rabbit hugged them and said,
I am very proud of you. You were smart and careful.
From that day on, the 3 little rabbits knew that being clever and thinking carefully could keep them safe. They lived happily together in their cozy little house. Moral of the story is, being smart, careful, and thinking before you act can keep you safe.
Should the rabbits open the door? Tell us in comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories.